Hi there, Bo Miller from Boutique Realty, and I'm just going to show you through number 8 Marie Street in Goodna. Okay, so as you can see, this is the front of the house. There is a carport down that side, which I'll show you when I get out the back. We've got 3 bedrooms inside. It is a fully enclosed veranda at this side, so I'll show you through there. 2 living areas. All the floors are tiled. I'm just going to turn back around so you can see the other side of that room. Hallway. It's a bit of a lip up because that would have been a veranda as well. This is the main bedroom with wardrobe, big double wardrobe there. And then I have a smaller room on this side. It is only a single sort of room. That's a double-sized bed. Toilet. And then I've got another bedroom here with the two beds. Bathroom. Okay, and this is your open plan living space with air conditioning. I've just skipped past the laundry. Okay. Turn around so you can see the living area and kitchen. So kitchen with electric cooking. Doesn't have a dishwasher, so just note, but just take you out to the backyard. Okay. So it's got a really big garden shed in this section here. That's your back fence line, and it is a fully fenced yard. An undercover patio here. Now, it was funny, I was just chatting to somebody I was showing through. You can see Brisbane in the background. Brisbane views. If you're in Sydney, you'd be paying millions for that view. So down the side, this is the carport from the other side. So it's a big tandem length carport that you can see. And then fencing here, so that yard space is fenced. So if you are interested in the property, we would love to hear from you. This one's going to go quick, so get on to me, send me an email or phone 0411 439 437. I'm at 8 Marie Street in Goodna. Bo from Boutique Realty.